जैसे कि आप जानते हैं FIA फेडरल इन्वेस्टिगेशन एजेंसी के रिटन टेस्ट अनकरीब होने ही वाले हैं और हमारा चैनल आपके इस टेस्ट की तैयारी करवा रहा है। तो आज हम इस वीडियो में असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर की पोस्ट के पास्ट पेपर को सॉल्व करेंगे। तो शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो। सबसे पहले MCQ। The first wahi was revealed upon the Holy Prophet Muhammad in 570 AD, 610 AD, 630 AD or 590 AD. It was revealed on 610 AD. फर्स्ट वही जो कि आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम पे गारे हिरा में नाजिल हुई थी और सूरह अलक जो थी वो पहली वही थी जो आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम पर नाजिल हुई थी। सेकेंड, the third battle fought between Muslims of Medina and Quraysh of Makkah was Badr, Uhud, Khandaq or Khaybar. It was Battle of Khandaq. Hazrat Amir Muawiyah belonged to which tribe? Banu Hashim, Banu Adad, Banu Umayyah or none? Banu Umayyah is the correct answer for this MCQ. Suleiman the Magnificent was a king of which dynasty? Abbasid, Umayyad, Mughal or Ottoman? He was king of Ottoman dynasty which was created by Turkish tribes. Who led Muslim forces during the Crusades? First Crusades were series of religious wars between Christians and Muslims. So it was led by Harun al-Rashid, Salahuddin Ayyubi, Walid bin Abdul Malik. The correct answer is Salahuddin Ayyubi. It was led by Salahuddin Ayyubi. Who is supposed to pay fatrana, that is sadqa fitr, of minor child? Themselves, mother, father, none. It is to be paid by father. Wealth invested in trade to the amount of 200 dirhams was subject to a zakat dash dirhams during the early period of Islam. 2, 212, 5 or 10. It was 5 dirhams during the early period of Islam. Which animal of the following is not taxable for zakat? Oxen, sheep, horse or elephant? Elephant is not taxable for zakat. Camels less than dash are zakat free as established the Holy Prophet peace be upon him. 3, 5, 6 or 7. 5 is the correct answer. Sheep and goat less than dash zakat free. 15, 20, 30 or 40. 40. Dragon is a symbol of which country? Russia, China, USA or England? Dragon is symbol of China. It is symbol of good luck and strength and power. Rohtas Fort is situated near Jhelum. It was built by Shah Jahan, Akbar, Sher Suri or Aurangzeb. It was built by Sher Suri. Hayat-e-Javed, written by Altaf Hussain Hali, is on the life of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Ghalib, Sadi Shirazi or none. It was written on the life of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. The oldest barrage of Pakistan is Kotri Barrage, Tunsa Barrage, Kurdu Barrage or Sakkar Barrage. It is Sakkar Barrage that is oldest barrage of Pakistan. Tanda Dam built in 1965 on river Dasht, Kohat-Toi or Kurram. It was built on river Kohat-Toi that is in Kotri district of KPK. The Indus Saga and the Making of Pakistan book is written by R.L. Stevenson, Etazaz Ehsan, H.G. Wells or none of these. It was written by Etazaz Ehsan. When the period of Kharif crop starts and when ends? June, September, October to May, May to October, Jan to October. Actually, Kharif crops are those crops which grow in rainy seasons or monsoon season and they mainly include wheat, barley, oat. So they are grown in June and ends at September. The period of Rabi season is October to May, May to August, October to June or January to May. It is October to May. Rabi crops are those which grow in winter season. Largest stadium of athletics of Pakistan was present in Lahore, Islamabad, Multan or Karachi. It is present in Islamabad. Animal Husbandry University is located at Lahore, Karachi, Hyderabad or Faisalabad. It is located in Lahore. Answer. Which of the following is cottage industry? Cement, sugar, handicraft or textile? Handicraft is the cottage industry. The agro-based industry is woodwork, dairy farms, carpets or ironworks. Agro-based industry is dairy farms. The biggest industry of Pakistan is cement, sugar, textile or paper. The biggest industry is of textile. The biggest industrial unit in public sector is Karachi Shipyard, Pakistan Steel Mills, State Cement, Telephone Industry of Pakistan. It is Pakistan Steel Mill, that is biggest industrial unit in public sector. Who wrote Sasi Punno? Hashim Shah, Bulle Shah, Waris Shah. Sasi Punno was written by Hashim Shah. Who wrote Soni Mahiwal? Bulle Shah, Waris Shah, Fazal Shah or none of these? So Soni Mahiwal was written by Fazal Shah. Who wrote Qissa Ahsanul Qisas? Hashim Shah, Ghulam Rasool, Bulle Shah or Waris Shah? It was written by Ghulam Rasool. Heavy Mechanical Complex. Heavy Mechanical Complex Taxila was set up with the aid of China, Japan, USA, UK. So it was set up with the aid of country China. Who is the author of India Wins Freedom? I.H. Qureshi, Munshi Lalaji, Fazal Mukim, Maulana Abu Kalam Azad. So Maulana Abu Kalam Azad was the author of India Wins Freedom. Entomology is the science of snakes, reptiles, insects or rodents. It is the science of insects. In entomology, we study about insects. Which of the following countries is situated in the Scandinavian region? Denmark, Norway, Sweden, all of them. Denmark, Norway and Sweden, all of them are situated in the Scandinavian region. So the correct answer is option number D, all of them. Acupuncture medical treatment originated in which country? India, Egypt, China or Greece? First, understand what is acupuncture. It is insertion of thin needle into targeted areas of skin. So it was started by China. The Wealth of Nations was written by Adam Smith, J.M. Keynes, J.S. Mill, Alfred Marshall. It was written by Adam Smith. A micro means a 100th part, a 500th part, a 1000th part or a millionth part. It means a millionth part. Karl Marx presented his idea in his famous work, Das Kapital, Social Contract, Helmut, Republic. He represented his famous work in Das Kapital. In economics, equilibrium means a state of balance, a state of imbalance, a state of neutrality, or a state of uniformity. In economics, it means a state of balance, a type of equality. Warren Buffett earned his wealth through filmmaking, stock exchange, booking writing, construction business. He earned his wealth through stock exchange. Ashes is played between England and New Zealand, New Zealand and Australia, Australia and England, South Africa and England. So it is played between Australia and England. It is match of series of 5 test matches. Canap nuclear power plant was provided to Pakistan by which country? Canada, China, USA or France? It was provided to Pakistan by Canada. Brazil is situated in Central Asia, South America, Eastern Europe or Far East. It is located in South America. Steve Jobs earned fame during his association with Intel, Dell, Microsoft or Apple. He earned fame during his association with Apple, a stock which is highly in demand. Being a low-risk investment is called blue-eyed, red share, blue chip or uncle's choice. It is called blue chip. Illegal commercial activities which go in recorded are termed as parallel economy, bad business, dark trading or black economy. It is regarded as or termed as black economy. A fall in the value of an asset is depression, deterioration, depreciation or degeneration. It is known as depreciation. Euclid was an ancient Greek dramatist, general or geometer. Geometer, option number C is the correct answer. Who inaugurated the Protestant Reformation in the Christianity? Martin Luther, Edward Jenner, Francis Bacon or William Harvey? It was inaugurated by Martin Luther. Dum Dum International Airport is in Amsterdam, Kolkata, Rangoon or Bangkok. It is in Kolkata. The legendary painting Mona Lisa is the creation of Pablo Picasso, Leonardo DiCaprio, Florence Nightingale or Leonardo da Vinci. So it is the creation of Leonardo da Vinci. What is the effect of deficit financing on economy? Recession, depression, deflation or inflation? Deficit financing results in inflation, that is, price of goods increase as a result of deficit financing, that is we called mehengai. The Communist Revolution of Russia took place in 1905, 1917, 1939 or 1945. It took place in 1917. Alma mater means sport complex, film studios, one's ancestral graveyard or one's college or university. Alma mater is a Latin word which means one's college or university. Suez Canal connects two seas. Which are those seas? Red Sea, Black Sea, Mediterranean and Red Sea, Dead Sea and Arabian Sea, Atlantic with Pacific. So, Suez Canal connects Mediterranean and Red Sea. Scotland Yard is the police department of Germany, America, Spain and England. It is the police department of England. The founder of Scout movement was Lord Baden-Powell, J.N. Dixit or P.N. Haxer or none. The founder was Lord Baden-Powell. The country which introduced competitive examinations for the selection of public servants for the first time was UK, USA, China or Japan. It was China who introduced competitive examination for the selection of public servants for the first time. The printing press was invented by Thomas Edison, John Gutenberg, Alexander Graham Bell or John Calvin. It was invented by Thomas Edison. A hectare is equal to 1.5 acres, 2.47 acres, 5 acres or 10 acres. It is equal to 1 hectare is equal to 2.47 acres. Next, Peter Drucker is considered to be the guru. How many stages of development have been indicated by Rostow? 5. This is the same MCQ, repeat it. Famous English novel Tale of the Two Cities was written by which author? John Dalton, Francis Bacon, Thomas Hardy or Charles Dickens? It was written by Charles Dickens, a famous author. His famous book is The Great Expectations, a novel. Michael Dell is one of the biggest name of Luxembourg's stock market, today's computer world, Latin America's drug mafia, or German politician. It is the biggest name of today's computer world. May Day is celebrated to remember the killings of labor protest of 1st May 1886 in Moscow, Tehran, Manchester or Chicago. So Chicago is the correct answer. It is celebrated to remember the killing of labor protest in Chicago. Monolith means an ancient Greek building, a single large organization very slow of change, a holy religious document of Jews, the codified law of Roman Empire. So monolith means a single large organization very slow of change, as the word mono means one. Hamlet is written by Milton Pike, the most nearly similar in meaning to abhorrence, Shelley lovable, Asghar Khan ability, Shakespeare. So it was written by William Shakespeare. स्पेलिंग यहाँ पे थोड़ी गलत है. Pick the most nearly similar in meaning to abhorrence, extreme hatred. Lovable Julian Assange, ability an American media person, able a star of English film industry, or extreme hatred founder of WikiLeaks. So the correct answer is extreme hater founder of WikiLeaks. Julian Assange is a terrorist of Chile. An American media person. Statista is a company of a star of English film industry, telecommunication, founder of WikiLeaks, oil exploration, a terrorist of Chile shipping, a founder of WikiLeaks, oil exploration. Statista is a company of construction of telecommunication, oil exploration, shipping or construction. It is company of telecommunication. SECB is the regulatory authority of stock market, NGOs, media business, import or export. So it is regulatory authority of stock market. The IMF has sanctioned loan for Pakistan amounting to 4.3 billion, 7.5 billion, 5.9, 7.2. अच्छा, ये हमारे पास जो ऑप्शंस हैं ये जिस साल का ये पेपर है उस लिहाज से हैं. करंटली हम इस एमसी को स्किप कर देंगे, लेकिन करंटली हमारे पास ये लोन जो है 1.13 बिलियन का जो है IMF की तरफ से सैंक्शन किया गया है. New York's Wall Street is a market of computers, movies, automobiles or stock. It is a market of stocks. The most nearly opposite in meaning to sumptuous is frequent, partial, restrained or open. It means partial. Not it means it is opposite to partial. Exports in chemicals and sugar sectors have a phenomenal rise this year. Projected, registered, proclaimed, declared. इस MCQ को भी हम स्किप कर देंगे इस वजह से क्योंकि ये जिस साल पेपर आया था ये उस साल के लिहाज से पूछा गया है. तो आप जब पेपर देने जा रहे हो तो अपने साल के लिहाज से ही निकाल के सर्च कर लिएगा, लेकिन इसको हम फिलहाल यहाँ पे स्किप करते हैं. Which word is wrongly spelled in the following set of words? Pledge, provoke, precise, predict. Pledge की यहाँ पे जो स्पेलिंग लिखी हुई है ये गलत है. Pledge की एक्चुअल स्पेलिंग PLEDGE होती है, जिसका मतलब होता है कोई प्रॉमिस करना, कोई कमिटमेंट. He did not get the job because his knowledge of it was found to be incomplete, ineffectual, inadequate, all of the above. Inadequate is the correct answer. That means unsatisfactory. A tool for tightening or loosening nuts and bolts is a spanner, screwdriver, chisel or hammer. It is a screwdriver that is used for tightening or loosening of nuts and bolts. To pay off old scores is to get one's satisfaction, honor, revenge or reward. Correct answer is revenge. Pick the one most nearly opposite in meaning to lackluster. Superficial, courteous, vibrant or complex. Vibrant is the correct answer. Pick the one most nearly similar in meaning to lassitude. Prod, purdue, tiredness, fiddler. Tiredness is nearly similar to lassitude. One who never takes strong drinks is called an drunk, abstainer, teetotaler or alcoholometer. He is known as teetotaler. If one does a duty with heart and soul, it is done neatly, automatically, enthusiastically or clumsily. It is done enthusiastically. Airhead means a stupid person, a pilot, a proud monarch, a genius. It means a stupid person. Adversary is an contemporary, opponent, geologist or physicist. It is opponent means enemy. A person who studies rocks and soils is a botanist, geologist, archaeologist or physicist. He is geologist. We are going to skip this MCQ as the MCQ is not correct. Opposite of hostile is aggressive, friendly, cunning. So hostile opposite is friendly. What is the LCM of 25, 30, 35 and 40? 3800, 4200, 4400 or none. 4200 is the correct answer. A wholesale tea dealer has 408 kilograms, 462 kilograms and 516 kilograms of three different qualities of tea. He wants it all to be packed into boxes of equal size without mixing. Find the capacity of the largest possible box: 50, 36, 24 or 12. 50 is the largest possible box with greatest capacity. If x is equals to 1.69 minus 0.01, then the value of x is 1.20, 1.68, 11.99 or 12. Then the value of x will be 1.20, 1216 minus 2 divided by 3 plus 127 minus 4 divided by 3 is equal to 34, 23, 39 or 18. It is equal to 18. You can solve this question with BODMAS rule, which says that first divide, then multiply, then add and then subtract in the last. Which of the following set of the fraction is in descending? 34, 79, 67, 79, 35, 67, 79, 67, 35, 67, 79 or 35. So the correct answer is 67, 79 and 35. So it was all about the paper of assistant director post. Hope you all like this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video and share as much as you can. Thank you.